In this podcast episode, neuroscientist Dr. Lisa Mosconi discusses the impact of menopause on the brain. She highlights the importance of understanding menopause as a significant transition in a woman's life that affects not only her physical health but also her brain functionality. Mosconi's research focuses on the changes in the brain during different phases of menopause, shedding light on the neurological symptoms experienced by women during this time. Mosconi explains that menopause is not just about the end of fertility, but also about significant changes in brain functionality. She emphasizes that menopause is a renovation project on the brain, leading to symptoms such as hot flashes, insomnia, anxiety, depression, and brain fog. These symptoms are neurological in nature and are often not recognized in traditional medical settings. Her research shows that women in perimenopause and postmenopause experience a 30% drop in brain energy levels, indicating a significant impact on cognitive function. Mosconi's groundbreaking research involves conducting brain scans on women before and after menopause, as well as before and after surgical menopause through the removal of ovaries. These scans reveal an increase in Alzheimer's plaques in the brains of women in perimenopause and postmenopause compared to men of the same age. This suggests that menopause can accelerate brain aging and increase the risk of cognitive decline in women. Her research challenges the traditional view of menopause as solely a hormonal change and highlights its profound effects on brain health. Mosconi stresses the importance of understanding menopause not only for women, but also for men. By gaining insight into the neurological changes that occur during menopause, individuals can better support women going through this transition. Understanding menopause as a complex process that impacts brain function can lead to improved healthcare and support for women during this critical stage of life. Her work aims to shift the conversation around menopause and women's health, advocating for a more holistic approach to addressing the neurological symptoms associated with this phase. Mosconi advocates for lifestyle adjustments that can positively impact menopausal women's brain health. She emphasizes the role of diet, exercise, and other lifestyle factors in supporting cognitive function during menopause. By promoting awareness of the brain changes that occur during this phase, Mosconi aims to empower women to make informed choices and take proactive steps to maintain their brain health. Mosconi breaks down the phases of menopause, starting with the premenopausal stage, where women may experience changes in their menstrual cycle. As women enter the perimenopausal stage, they may start skipping periods and experience symptoms like difficulty sleeping and brain fog. The late perimenopausal stage is characterized by more severe symptoms such as hot flashes, night sweats, insomnia, mood changes, and forgetfulness. The symptoms tend to peak in the late perimenopausal stage when periods become more irregular. Mosconi highlights a range of symptoms that women may experience during menopause, including vaginal dryness, weight gain, slow metabolism, digestive issues, overactive bladder, muscle tension, aches, tinnitus, electric shock sensations, panic attacks, and more. She notes that these symptoms can vary in severity and may impact women differently based on their race and ethnicity. Black and Hispanic women may experience more severe symptoms of menopause, highlighting the need for more research and support in this area. Mosconi discusses hormone replacement therapy, HRT in short, as a treatment option for menopausal symptoms. She explains the history of HRT, highlighting the Women's Health Initiative study in the 1990s that raised concerns about the risks of hormone therapy. However, she notes that current HRT options use lower doses, bioidentical hormones, and transdermal administration to reduce potential risks. She emphasizes the importance of starting hormone therapy before menopause to stabilize hormonal levels and potentially alleviate symptoms like hot flashes, insomnia, and mood changes. Mosconi highlights the increased risk of suicidality and mental health issues during menopause, noting that women in midlife, particularly around the age of 55, may face higher rates of suicide. She emphasizes the importance of addressing mental health concerns and providing support for women going through menopause, as the emotional and psychological impact of this transition can be significant. One of the challenges Mosconi addresses is the lack of education and training for healthcare providers, particularly obstetrics and gynecology specialists, in managing menopause. She highlights the need for certified menopause specialists who have a better understanding of the neurological aspects of menopause and can provide appropriate care and support to women. Mosconi emphasizes the importance of exercise in managing menopause symptoms and supporting brain health. She explains that moderate intensity exercise, such as cardiovascular activity and strength training, can be beneficial for women going through menopause. She also mentions the link between physical fitness in midlife and a lower risk of dementia in old age. Mosconi recommends following a Mediterranean-style diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and omega-3 fatty acids to support brain health during menopause. She explains that certain nutrients, such as antioxidants and essential amino acids, are crucial for optimal brain function and should be prioritized in the diet. She also discusses the impact of dehydration and the importance of staying hydrated for brain health. While Mosconi acknowledges the role of supplements in addressing nutrient deficiencies, she emphasizes that they should complement a healthy diet rather than replace it. She prefers getting nutrients from extracts and concentrates from plants and botanicals, such as noni juice and blueberry juice, to support brain health. She also mentions the benefits of legumes and fatty fish in delaying menopause onset and improving fertility. Mosconi discusses the association between omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants with menstrual pains, fertility issues, and menopause symptoms. She explains that consuming enough omega-3 and antioxidants can lead to a gentler menopause, fewer menstrual cramps, and a lower risk of premenstrual syndrome. She highlights the importance of these nutrients for overall women's health during menopause. Mosconi delves into the evolutionary reasons behind menopause, which is a unique phenomenon in humans compared to other animal species. She explains that menopause may have evolved as a way for women to transition into a caregiving role, supporting their offspring and grandchildren. This theory, known as the grandmother hypothesis, suggests that women who live past menopause can contribute to the survival and well-being of their families, ultimately increasing their genetic fitness. Mosconi discusses how a woman's experience of menopause can be influenced by various factors, including genetics, lifestyle choices, and previous health conditions. She notes that a woman's mother's age at menopause can be a good predictor of when she may go through menopause herself. Additionally, experiences during puberty or pregnancy, such as mood disturbances, can also indicate how a woman may experience menopause. She emphasizes the importance of having conversations with mothers and understanding their experiences to better prepare for one's own menopausal journey. Mosconi highlights the need for support and empathy towards menopausal women, as they may experience a range of symptoms beyond just physical changes like hot flashes. Emotional and mental health issues, such as anxiety, depression, and fatigue, can significantly impact women going through menopause. By increasing awareness and understanding of menopause, individuals can better support their loved ones and create a more inclusive and compassionate environment for those going through this phase of life.